Well, it's 8 a.m. June 22nd, 2019. It's drizzling up here. Headed up to past Chileo, up to Mt Pacifico. Fingers crossed. Schweitzer picnic area. Lovely place. Lovely. All right. Ooh, check that out. Clouds kind of broke, but it gets cloudy again up there. So it's 12:46 Saturday lunchtime. So I couldn't get through Red Box through Angeles Forest, Angeles Crest to Chileo. So I came back down. Now I'm at just at the beginning of 9 Mile Angeles Forest Road. I gotta do the 9 miles and up Upper Big Tahunga, I think they call it, and then that'll take me to Chileo. My seat, I was adjusting it because it's just not right, and it looks like I almost stripped some threads, but I think it's gonna be all right. But anyway, turning out to be a mission. Peace. So here we are at the Chileo Visiting Center. Luckily, Kyle from the bike shop right there saw me sprawled out on the side of the road on 9 Mile and gave me a lift. Otherwise, I think probably would have taken me another 2 hours to get here. And from here, we're going to head on up to the campground, Mt Pacifico.
Crushing the hill.
Yeah, nice.
I'm on a mountain bike ride. No Pepsis. No Pepsi. I want a Pepsi, Mom.
So we rode up that ridge right there. One back there, and there's Mount Wilson, and you see one of the observatories. Here we are, Pacifico campground. The last mile from the other side down there has been brutal. This whole 12 miles have been brutal. It's been riding since 8 a.m. Took a 2-hour break. It's long. Brutal day. Started at 8 in the morning and it's 7:30 now. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.